Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A06 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with finding and opening the settings. And in this general list we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's tap on the biometrics right here and choose fingerprints. Tap on continue. First of all, we will have to set a regular screen lock. Of course, if you've got one, you will be transferred to another step. If not, you have to do it right now. So let me just choose the pattern, redraw it and confirm. Now we have to place our finger on the sensor, which is in this device placed on the side of it. So let me put my finger on the sensor, and now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for better recognition. Yeah, finally. Okay, we just added our fingerprint, so just tap on done. And this is the fingerprint section. That's the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it, add another fingerprint. Here we can decide for what we want to use the fingerprint for, and here are some additional options. Let me lock the device and let's check if it is working. So let me put my finger on the sensor, and the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.